Hi guys, in this video we want to learn how to create an expansion panel in Flutter apps. In here I have a new project and a test project. It's a test project and it's returning a scaffold, and in here we have a container. We should be add a single child scroll view for create expansion panel lists to set it as a scrollable widget. And excuse me, single child scroll view, and that is here, and it gets a child, and I set this child as a expansion panel list to create a list of two expansion panels or some numbers, and it gets a children and elevation and expansion callback, and it's true. Okay. We should be add is expanded values for expansion panels. Let me to create expansion panels in here, expansion panel, and it give header builder and body. We should be create a function in here for header builder, and it gets build context as a context, and okay, boolean as a is expanded, and in here we should be return widget, and I return a list style. Okay, I return a list style in here. Okay, and save it, and expansion panel header builder is true, and in body I return some list style, and it's true. Okay, we should be add expansion callback and elevation. We should be add value for this and this, and add is expanded value for expansion panels. Okay, for expansion panels we should be add is expanded value. As expanded value as a is a boolean variable, and I add list of two boolean variables for is expanded variable in the two expansion panels. I create a list of boolean variables as a is expanded variables, and it's okay, false and false. I created this, and get and set it to index 0 in here, and I create a copy from this to create some expansion panel, other expansion panel, and set it index as a 1, and set it and it as a 2. Okay, we have two errors and elevation. I set it at a 1 as a 1, and the expansion callback we should be add a function in here. Its function, I copy it in here, and we should be change is expanded to false or true. If it's false, we equals it to true, and if it's true we equals it as a false. Okay, I change it to is expanded variables and save our app. And in here you see it's okay, and we added a expansion panel list. And to change this elevation from here, you can change this number to increase the shadow from here. I set it to 2. Okay, it's okay. And we can use animation duration in here and set it a duration and give to this a duration in milliseconds, 500 milliseconds, and save it. And you see it's okay. I hope you enjoy from this video. If you like it, make sure click on the like button in bottom of this video. If you like my videos, make sure click the subscribe button on bottom of this video and click on the bell and set it to all videos. Okay, until to next video, bye guys.